Have you ever wondered if someone has blocked you on Instagram or not? I have a solution for you today. Let's say I open my Instagram and actually I have two accounts. So with one of them, I'm going to block the other one and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to search for my username and I am going to block that other account. Okay, now this account is blocked and we're going to go to the other account and see what happens when you are blocked by someone. I'm gonna search for that username, and as you can see, I won't be able to see the followings or followers list, no posts, nothing. And actually that page is public. So if I wasn't blocked, I would be able to see everything, but now I just can't. And as you can see, I can still see the profile picture, but if this account did not block me and was deactivated instead, I would not have been able to see the profile picture. Unfortunately, that is the only way we can see if someone particular has blocked us or not. And Instagram doesn't let us have a list of all the people who have blocked us. I hope this helps you today, and don't forget to subscribe for more.